In this video, we're going to get into the diode laser engraver world. I recently unboxed and assembled my KentokTool 5.5 watt diode laser, and I'm going to share with you my experience, some tips, and a quick review of how it performs. Here's just a quick look at some of the unboxing and some of the assembly of the KentokTool diode laser machine. It was a very straightforward process, and there are videos on the included SD card in KentokTool's YouTube channel that were done way better than I could do for you. If you're new to laser engravers, this part is actually pretty easy. The unboxing and assembly only took me 32 minutes. Once I had the engraver set up, I was excited to start my first project. And here are two great examples of successful engravings that I did. The detail and precision are quite impressive. I do have a K40 CO2 laser, and this one was actually easier to align, and it engraved just as well. But not every project goes perfectly. Here's an example of a failed engraving. I was running the laser at full power and speed, and as you can see, it didn't turn out well. The lesson here is to avoid starting at full power and speed. If you're new to using a diode laser, or really any laser, my biggest piece of advice is to take it slow. Begin with lower power settings and slower speeds. This will help you understand how the laser interacts with different materials. Then you'll want to gradually increase the speed and the power to find what works best for you and that material. It's really all about finding the perfect balance. Overall, I'm really pleased with this diode laser engraver. It's beginner friendly, and once you get the hang of it, you can create some really amazing pieces. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to see further review videos. Also, feel free to drop any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching.